my glamsters. Petalist here. Welcome back to our channel. I'm coming on today with a different kind of video for you guys. Today I'm going to be talking about a company called BB Crafts. Yeah, I got some items from them to review. Some items that we can use for DIYs. Yes. So let me show you what I got from them first, and then we'll talk some more about this company. One of my favorite bling wraps, the flower bling wrap. Yeah, this right here. So here is the bling wrap, and it is a beautiful bling wrap. The flower wrap, I love it. You know, I use it all the time. I love this. And it is 10 yards. See how big it is? You get 10 yards, you guys. OMG. Isn't that nice? 10 yards. They have the diamond wrap. Here it is here. Now let me see if I can open this, because it's in the plastic. It's not showing all that great in the plastic. The thick plastic. Now there's still a little plastic over it here, but it's a thinner plastic, so maybe we can get a better look at it. There we go. You see it there? This one is gold. Gold with the little crystals in them. I like that. And then there's this one. This is my favorite. You know I am a silver girl. You know I am a silver girl, so this one here is my favorite. Doesn't that look beautiful? I love it. Now let me take the little sheer plastic off this one. You guys see that? OMG. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. And with these chains, they have them in different sizes. You can get the thicker links or you can get the thinner link. Yeah, they have them in different sizes. This is really neat. So BB Craft is a company that supplies quality jewelry making products, and they also provide craft products. Yeah, so if you're into making jewelry, chains, necklaces, chains and necklaces, the same thing. Earrings, stuff like that. If you're into making those things, on their site you can go and you'll see a lot of items that you can purchase to do those kinds of crafts. And of course, if you love doing DIYs like me, yeah, they have supplies for us there too. And they have, like I told you, they have the, like I showed you, they have the bling wraps in different colors and stuff like that. And they have the crystal chain wrap in gold and silver and different sizes. You can get the little links smaller, you can get the little links bigger. Yeah, so they have a wide variety over there. And you know what? If you are a YouTuber and you do DIYs on your channel, as long as you have 100 subscribers or more, they have a program that you can, you just click the link, fill out everything they require, and they will send you products to review. All you need is 100 subscribers. That's it. As long as you have 100 subscribers or more, you can get items from them too to do DIY videos. Yeah, so I'm going to leave the link below to all that info. So let's get into the DIY that I will be doing today to show you with these items here. Alright everyone, these are the items that we will be using for today's DIY. And the items will be listed down below, so you can go down and check and see where I got everything from. Alright glamsters, you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright, we have our tea light candle holder, and we're going to use some E6000, and of course our bling chain from BB Crafts. So we're just going to put the E6000 going everywhere. You could use any adhesive that you'd like to use. Now I am using some hot glue here just to start it off, so it will just hold it in place for a second, but that wasn't really necessary, but I applied it anyways. So now we just keep going around and just keep pushing it in place as you're doing it, because it's the E6000, so it very easily slides and stuff like that. So you just keep guiding it along as you go around, and make sure you hold the chain good so it doesn't flip to the opposite side. And it's very easy, it's straightforward. And now that we reach the top, just use any little snippy thing and snip it off. I don't remember the name of these things, you guys. OMG, I'm so sorry. But even the scissors, you just cut it off and that's it. And then we're going to set it aside to dry for a few hours. Because E6000, you have to let it dry for a few hours. Eventually overnight, but for now a few hours we can continue. Okay, so I've had it set down for a few hours now. So now I'm going to add another candle holder to the top, again using the E6000. Okay, now it's dry, not 100% dry, but it's been a few hours, so now it's dry that we can work with it. So we are going to add some more of our bling wrap going up the top of our candle holder. So again, add the E6000, and then we're going to add our bling chain and continue going up, maybe just around 2 or 3 times. Okay, Glamsters, here is our finished look. I love how they look, and I did add 2 more of the bling going around the top. Yes, just the top part. I added 2 more to make it look extra nice. And I think it does. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I love this, what do you call it now? A diamond ring? A diamond bling strip? Yeah, I think that's a good name for it. It looks nice. I love it. Absolutely beautiful. I be on my Instagram, going through my Instagram. I come across your page. You say that you don't need a man, but I'm seeing all these different men. Girl, what did you say? You said right now that I'm not what you're looking for, but it looks like you need me now. And here I have 2 candles. I'm just going to place the candles inside just to give you a brief look of how it would look with your candles inside. I'm not going to light them, but I'm just giving you an idea of how they look. I love how this bling chain looks. It looks very nice. I remember it's from BB Crafts, and I will leave the link below for you guys to click on it and order some for yourself. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Alright, my Glamsters, as you can see, they're easy to work with. Yes, it is. And it's very nice. As you can see, once again, our lovely candle holders. And I also have a lot left over, so I can do another DIY with this. And then I have the gold. I'll be bringing you a DIY with this one too. And then our flower bling wrap. Yeah. All these. So remember, it's BB Craft. Like I said in the beginning, if you have 100 subscribers or more and you do DIYs, I'll leave the link below that you can click on and you can get some of these items to review for yourself. So I'll leave the link below for you guys to go over and check that out. And remember, I'll be coming back to show you more good ideas that you can do with these items. All right, my Glamsters, thank you so much for coming on and hearing about my review and seeing the DIY that I did with the products that I received. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye, everyone. It's summer fall till it's all